May shoot ako or may mga lakad, this is how I prep my skin. So first, I go in with a toner. Kasi when you put on makeup, it's really important yung skin prep. So after that, I get my serum. Sobrang dry ng skin ko ngayon, as in from here. Tapos nagbe-breakout pa ako. Yan, talaga naman. Kung kailan merong shoot. Okay, next is I go in with my moisturizer. I really make it simple. Nagdo-double down ako on the under eye. Kasi dito madalas nag-crease yan. And then, I just sort of massage around the area, pati dito. Tapos yung iba, kinakamay ko na. Okay, yan sa ilong. Especially dito sa gilid-gilid. And dinadamihan ko talaga. Ito yung moisturizer na gamit ko. I love that because it's so gentle on my skin. So, I really make it like that. Tapos, I use this collagen mask from CC. And then I go in with my collagen mask. Tapos important na yung under eye. Very moisturized kasi pag tumatanda ka na, dyan talaga nagka-crack yung makeup. Skincare shoot kasi siya, so for Lana sa anniversary. So dapat pakak na pakak ang skin. Okay. I'll be back. It's been a couple of minutes. I'll prepare na for the shoot. So, tanggalin natin. Look at that. So pretty. So moisturized.